How's it going, y'all? On today's video, we're in beautiful Half Moon Cay, and we're going to talk about seizing the day. Now, when I talk about seizing the moment or grabbing onto the day, I just mean, we have so many times during the day where we could be doing something amazing, but instead we're boggled down with all the other little things. When in reality, we could take these moments and be just a little bit more productive. Maybe sending out that email, reaching out to that customer, or just doing something for ourselves. So I'll be completely honest, started taking this nature trail, and I really don't know where I am. So next time you complain that you don't have any work or stuff's not going in, go back and look at your email box or follow up on that phone call. A lot of times if we just take these little moments throughout the day to seize on opportunities, who knows what could happen.